All right, question 7b. We're going to determine the indicated term of the arithmetic sequence. I want to know the 10th term, the 90th term, and the nth term. Well, like in the previous question, I'm not going to end on the nth term. I'm going to start on the nth term and then use that to figure out my 10th and my 90th term. Okay, so what we got to do here first of all is we're gonna figure out what the pieces are. Okay, Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1d. N is the variable. That's if I want to have the general term of the sequence, I want the n in there. Okay, as an n. I don't want the number for it. I want it as the n because that's the variable. I want the term number to be expressed as a function of where it is in the sequence. So the constants here, the things that don't change, well, it doesn't change where we start. Okay, and we're starting in this case at the number negative 21 plus n minus 1 times d. Okay, d, what are we doing here? Well, if you take the second term, negative 6, subtract negative 21, that's 15. 9 minus negative 6, okay, there we go. So our d value here is 15. So I'm going to expand this out just to get a nice little expression in terms of n. And so I'm going to get here that Tn, well, I'm going to have 15n, and then negative 21 minus 15. Okay, well, that looks to me like negative 36. And so there's our nth term. And now from here, this is just a matter of evaluating, of plugging things in here. So to get the 10th term, this will end up being 15 times 10 minus 36. Okay, and you just think about that a little bit. That's 150 minus 36 is going to be 114. Okay, then to get the 90th term, okay, that is going to end up being, what do we got here? 15 times 90 minus 36. And that will give us, now 15 times 90, just do it on the calculator here, which is what I just did. And that's going to end up being 1314. Whoops, sorry, that's a little bit off the screen there. Didn't notice that. And there you go. The nth term, the 10th term, and the 90th term.